Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to a card mortgage account online. To log in and manage your card mortgage account, you will need to follow the quick simple step. So the first thing to do is to open a web browser. In the URL box, type in accordmortgages.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now, click on existing customers option and then from the main home page of Accord Mortgages, click on the login button at the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet for Accord Mortgage, you can select the register option and follow through the instructions. To log into your existing account, from the left hand side menu, type in username or customer number for yourself. Make sure to type in your username or customer number correct. In case you've forgotten your customer number or username, click on Forgotten username/customer number. After filling in the detail, click Continue. On the next page, you will then need to provide your birthday information. Select your birthday, month, and year. Finally, click Continue to log into your Accord mortgage account. Follow through the on-screen instructions and you will then be able to access your mortgage account. Now you can easily manage your account, view your loan statements, make a payment, and much more. So that's it for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.